Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a consumer durable loan in HDFC. First, let's understand what these loans are and who can apply. HDFC Bank offers convenient financing options for various household items. We'll cover the key features and benefits, helping you make informed decisions. This loan makes purchasing essential durables much more accessible and manageable for your budget. Applying for an HDFC consumer durable loan is straightforward. You'll need to prepare a few essential documents, including your identity proof, address proof, and income verification. Once you have these, fill out the application form carefully. HDFC Bank aims for a quick approval process, often providing instant decisions, so you can proceed with your purchase without delay. Once your loan is approved, the process of using it is seamless. The approved loan amount is directly dispersed to the merchant or retailer where you are making your purchase. This means you don't handle the funds yourself. You simply select your desired consumer durable item, and the payment is handled, allowing you to take home your new product immediately and enjoy its benefits. Managing your HDFC consumer durable loan repayment is crucial. You'll receive a clear EMI schedule outlining your monthly payments and due dates. Setting up an auto-debit facility is highly recommended for hassle-free and timely repayments. Consistently paying your EMIs on time helps you maintain a healthy credit score, which is beneficial for future financial needs and opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.